Guys, do you remember? Today is our 8th foundation day.
Yes, we have completed 7 years with this school.
हाँ यार, that was a great time indeed. Time flies so fast, no? अरे यार, पहले दिन और इंडो स्टेडियम में फर्स्ट मीटअप हमारी. हाँ, चेयरमैन सर ने भी स्पीच दी. अज्जू सर ने भी स्पीच दी.
जीना मैम ने भी स्पीच दी थी.
फिर क्लास टीचर के साथ हम गए थे और फिर हाउस मास्टर्स के साथ इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया हमें.
हाँ यार, उस दिन तो हमें हाउस मास्टर से भी इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया.
ग्रेटिट्यूड के कौन थे?
खालिद से थे.
अच्छा.
फिर ट्रस्ट के कौन थे?
अरे शबाना मैम से.
और बिलीफ के
तो नम्रता मैम
और
थे.
टॉलरेंस की हिमागिनी मैम थे.
अरे हाँ, हमने हाउस एक्टिविटीज बहुत सारी की थी. हर सैटरडे को कोई ना कोई एक्टिविटीज हम करते ही थे.
कुकिंग विदाउट फायर.
पॉपकॉर्न मशीन बनाया था हमने.
पॉपकॉर्न ज्यादा खाए थे हमने.
हाँ, हमारा फर्स्ट एनुअल फंक्शन याद है? हम सब
और फिर हमारा फर्स्ट असेंबली परफॉर्मेंस जय हो पर.
फर्स्ट फाउंडेशन था वो हमारा.
फिर हमारी फर्स्ट ट्रिप बासद.
फिर हम सब लोग मीठापुर भी गए थे. और एक कार्निवल हुआ था. बहुत बड़ा.
क्या यादें थी वो.
पहला वाला स्पोर्ट्स डे तो भाई क्या मजा है.
हाँ, टॉलरेंस ट्रॉफी लेके गई थी.
ग्रेटिट्यूड लेके गए थे सेकंड प्राइज.
गोल्डन डेज. हम उन दिनों को बहुत ही ज़्यादा मिस करने वाले हैं.
सही में ये इस बार हमारा आखिरी साल है और हम ये पूरे साल को कभी नहीं भूलेंगे. जो भी हमने पूरी स्कूल लाइफ में हमने चीज़ें करी है वो कभी भी हम नहीं भूलेंगे.
पर हम जहाँ भी जाएंगे ना स्कूल को याद रखेंगे और स्कूल ने जो हमें सिखाया है उसको हम हमेशा फॉलो करेंगे.
Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you all remember me, but for my all new friends and teachers, my name is Deep Patel and I can proudly say that I was part of the first ever batch of Falcon School. So I'm in Canada right now, studying chemical laboratory technician, and this beautiful school brings back so many memories, like those fantastic moments in classroom with friends, those basketball sessions, those music classes, and the most beautiful of all, the annual day preparations. I thank Balkun School and every teacher, everyone who made my school life memorable. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Krusha Patel, former student of Balkun School and currently pursuing a BTech degree in Aerospace Engineering from VIT Bhopal University. First of all, I would like to congratulate the school for winning the Aesthetic School Award. Congratulations. Having been part of this school since its inception, I am filled with immense appreciation for the opportunities and confidence that have bestowed upon me. Reflecting on the 5 years of education in this school, I am reminded of the countless memories that hold a special place in my heart and shaped me into the person I am today. I am always grateful to the wonderful teachers for their unwavering support and encouragement. Last but not the least, I am lucky to be part of the Balkun School. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. I'm Krishi, BSc Computer Science, and it's been around 1.5 years, I guess, since I came in here, walking through all struggle and success by myself. But there is one thing which is with me and will always be there, is bravery and confidence, which is because of you all teachers and the efforts shown by you all. And it feels like really awesome, like taking interviews through radios was the best part, and giving speeches in any function was regular in my school life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sneha Shah, an alumni of BKS, pursuing my first year of BDS at Visnagar. Today I am here to share my valuable journey of BKS, the school which has encouraged me a lot and helped my inner me to polish. The school which has always made me know how innovative I can be and how innovative I can be further. It gave me a chance to blossom myself. It is hard to believe that it was not just a school for me but a second home for me, where I had a great friends and fabulous teachers who have taught me many things which are still useful in my life. It is the school where I have spent 6 years, which went just within a blink. I had a great time in my school. Thank you, BKS, for teaching me everything and make my individuality to grow further. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Patel Arpit Vasudevai. I started studying in Bakun School from 7th standard. I passed out my 12th in 2023. I am doing MBBS in Darpur Medical College, Patan. Bakun School has overall growth for students. It has immense teaching sense and it has other activities like sports and events. With all this, enjoy your school life with groups, teachers and others. Thank you to teachers, director ma'am, principal sir for making me a successful man. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mahima Patel
And my name is Bhumika Balani.
Bhumika, do you know what's special today?
I don't recall anything. Is there anything special today?
अरे यार भूमिका, आज तो हमारे स्कूल का फाउंडेशन डे है.
Oh, that's great. Listening to this has made me nostalgic about our school days.
Indeed Bhumika, all just memories just suddenly flashed back in front of my eyes.
And do you remember, Mahima, how we used to play basketball together?
हाँ यार भूमिका, बहुत मजा आती थी. The vibe of music and dance room was just unbeatable and we have practiced here so many events and annual functions together. It was a fun time together.
What about the place where we have spent most of our time together? Our classroom. और classroom की वो मस्ती हमेशा याद रहेगी. And Mahima, how was your experience in Radio Baukunj?
Yes, when everybody was locked inside their houses, our school has created a platform that is Radio Baukunj. It has took many interviews here. It was a great experience for me, which has taught me so many different things.
Our school had such a positive atmosphere and the vibe of our school is really amazing. Our director ma'am, principal sir and all the teachers were always ready to help us in each and every step.
Yes, being the part of Baukunj School is the best thing that has happened to me and it has molded me into a good human being that I am today. We are thankful to be a student of Baukunj School and to be a part of Baukunj family. Happy Foundation Day to each and everyone.
Hello everybody, my name is Carly Thomas. I started studying in Bhavkun School from standard 9th. Currently I am pursuing for BCom. Bhavkun School has helped me to remove my stage fear and the most enjoyable moment coming to school was with my father every day in car. I would like to thank all of my teachers, principal sir and director ma'am for supporting me and helping me and guiding me in my studies.
Jile. My name is Padma. And my name is Jigmet. We are from Ladakh. We joined the school before 6 months and when we joined the school first, we are not able and understand the English and Hindi.
But now we are able to understand English and Hindi languages and learn new things in the school. Thank you to the school and the school management.
We are proud to be the part of Baukunj families. Congratulations to everyone. Thank you.
Hello everyone. For me, my association with Baukunj School has been 7-year-old and I'm so grateful to Chairman Sir and Director Ma'am for giving me this opportunity. And it has been a wonderful experience being associated with Sarva Vidyalaya Kelamani Mandal and especially the trust which gave me a lot of scope for learning, lot of scope for exploration and growth. And I wish and pray that all the stakeholders would be blessed by their association with this trust. Thank you.
Namaskar, I am Dr. Jinal Joshi and it is a great honor today for me to just talk and share my journey, our journey, everyone's journey today on the Foundation Day. It gives me great pleasure to begin by sharing how we all started 7 years ago by moving tables, borrowing classrooms, walking on the not so done concrete floors towards pulling each other's legs and tongues and teeth and then making it successfully over these 7 years by having us applauded and appreciated by so many awards, so many achievements and student success. Today, it gives me immense pleasure to congratulate and also with a lot of gratitude express my thank you to the management, to the teachers, to the students and the parents who have made it worthwhile for all of us to grow within ourselves. We never knew what potential we had. We never knew what strength we had. We never knew how we could conquer our weakness. We only knew during these 7 years that we could achieve what we are today with all of you. Thank you once again, and thank you teachers especially for making it possible, for making it worthwhile, for making it recognizable, and for making it much appreciated of what Bhavkund School today is. Remembering Bhav, we also thank the parents of Bhav and Kunj who gave us this beautiful name, who gave us this beautiful platform. And I also thank the guidance that we have continuously received from our Honorable Chairman and the trust that we so truthfully always promise to be guided to. Kar bhala, hoga bhala. Thank you.
Congratulations to all Bhavkund family. We will really miss this school and यार वो तो दिन भी क्या दिन थे.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में पड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी, जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।